Tired of rebuilding Jira dashboards from scratch for every team? Copy any dashboard in 30 seconds with this simple trick. I'll show you exactly where to click to duplicate your dashboard, rename it, and save it. No manual setup needed. So here's the thing. If you've ever built a really good Jira dashboard with all the right filters and gadgets, you know how painful it is to recreate that for another team or project. But you don't have to. Jira actually lets you copy a dashboard in just a few clicks. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that right now. Start from your Jira homepage. This is where you land when you first log in. It doesn't matter if you're using company-managed or team-managed projects. The process is the same. Now look at the left side panel. You'll see a menu with different options. Go ahead and click on Dashboards. It's usually listed under Projects and Issues. This opens up your dashboard list, which shows all the dashboards you have access to. Some you created yourself, others might be shared with you. Now you need to pick the dashboard you want to copy. Maybe it's that weekly team status dashboard you spent hours perfecting, or that executive report with all the key metrics. Click on it to open it up. Take a second to confirm this is the right one, because once we copy it, we're going to give it a new name and make it its own thing. All right, now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard. See those three little dots? That's the More menu. Click on it. This is one of those spots in Jira where a lot of useful actions hide, so it's good to remember where it is. A drop-down menu appears. You'll see options like Edit, Share, and Refresh, but the one we want is Copy. Click on Copy. And that's it. Jira is now going to create an exact duplicate of your dashboard. Every gadget, every filter, every layout setting. All of it. Now, a window pops up asking you to name your new dashboard. This is where you want to be smart about it. Don't just leave it as copy of something. Give it a name that makes sense for the team or project you're creating it for, like Q2 Engineering Sprint Status or Marketing Campaign Tracker. Something that tells everyone what this dashboard is for at a glance. You'll also see an optional description field. I always recommend adding a quick sentence or two about what this dashboard tracks or who it's intended for. It helps when someone new joins the team and starts looking through shared dashboards. But if you're in a hurry, you can totally skip this. It's completely optional. Go ahead and click Save. Jira will process this in just a second, and you'll be taken to your brand new dashboard. All the gadgets are there, all the data sources are intact. Everything works just like the original, except now it's your own copy. And that's really all there is to it. From start to finish, we're talking about 30 seconds. You just saved yourself a ton of time rebuilding dashboards from scratch for every new team or project. Go ahead and give it a try with one of your existing dashboards. I think you'll be surprised at how easy it is.